Hello guys, in this video I'm going to share how we can achieve the SAS proc functionality in the Python program. So this will help you if you are migrating from SAS code to Python. So for that I have created a dummy dataset which I have keep the name new. So this is my dataset where I have two variables ID and marks. In SAS we use proc sort, so I'm going to write the proc sort. I'm taking the output of proc sort in the new dataset, and here I'm just sorting it by ID. So if I execute this, it will give me result sorting by ID. So here 1 is coming 3 times, so it is on the first place, and 2, then 3, 4 and 5. It is in ascending because I didn't mention descending here. Now let's move to Python. I'm going to create the same dummy data frame, and here you can take a look. It is similar to the dataset which I have created in SAS. So how we can sort it in Python? I'm going to share a method which is Dataframe name dot sort underscore values, and here we need to pass our by variables. Like in proc sort I have used ID, so I'm going to use a here ID. So if I run it, so we need to give variable name in single quotes. So if I give in single quote, it will sort and give me the same result as we are achieving in proc sort. So if we are using the descending option here, then it will sort in the descending. Yeah, here it is sort and descending. So how we can achieve this in Python? So we just need to add here ascending is equal to false, and make sure the false F should be capital and the rest of the letters should be in small. So here you can take a look. It is showing in it has been sorted in descending order. Now second thing is I am taking output in the different data set in SAS, and here I am just sorting it. So to take the output in different data set, I can just use df1 equal to, and now df1 have this data set. Now the another thing is, if I am using multiple variable here like ID, then marks, so here it is sorting first by ID, then it is sorting it by marks. Marks is in ascending. So if I want to do the same thing in Python, then I just create a list, and here so it has sorted the data frame first by ID in descending because I have kept the ascending false for ID, and for marks I have kept the ascending true, so it is sorting it by ascending order. Another thing, if I want to keep the output in the same data frame, I want to make changes in the same data frame, in that case I can just simply choose one option, uh, which is in place. If I'll keep in place true, it will affect the same data frame. So here you can take a look. I have kept the in place statement true, and the data frame is now sorted. The df main data frame is now sorted. And this is about the sorting. And to handle the duplicated value, I am going to create another video in which you can have a look how we can deal with the duplicate value. Thank you for the watching. Keep supporting.